Talk. Suspects are heavily barricaded, may have planted traps in multiple areas on site. Make entry, exercise extreme caution.
Got your six.
Stay on me.
Right with you.
Use a jam.
Gonna jam it.
Mirror for suspects.
Roger. I got the wand.
Wedge it in. We're good.
Got some openings. They fucking wired it. Room clear.
Cover me. Disarming the device. Get down now!
After what they did to you.
Drop the weapon and get down on the ground now!
I'll zip it up.
I need you to move. Hands up, do it now!
Secured. Suspect secure. Suspect secure. Evidence taken.
Trailers ready.
Drop the weapon and put your hands up! Turn around.
You should have brought more.
I got cops. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you do or say can be used against you.
We'll bring them back.
Leave the talk. Suspect in custody. Ready for transport.
Dock 2 entry team. Trailers
Watch my
inbound.
back. Disarming.
Secured.
Use the wand. Check for targets.
Wand's ready. Looks safe. Suspect with a weapon.
Put your hands up.
Get down.
Down on the ground!
Move this.
Stay down and turn around.
Don't move around.
They're good.
Damn it!
Suspect here, ready to go.
Talk to lead.
Apply.